Good morning students. Today I am going to teach you one poem, Rain on the Roof. Rain on the Roof is written by Coach Kine. In this poem, the poet is telling about the rain, and he also beautifies the rain, and he also dreams so many things while the rain is raining. Okay, now come to the point. When the humid shadows hover over all the starry spheres, and the melancholy darkness gently weeps in rainy tears, what a bliss to press the pillow of a cottage chamber bed and lie listening to the patter of the soft rain overhead. The poet is saying that when the dark clouds, which are full of water, are about to bring rain, when such clouds hover around in the sky over all the starry spheres, at that time huge clouds which are full of moisture move around in the sky, and the sad darkness of the night is wiped off by the raindrops, which seems like tears falling from the sky, which seems to be very sad. The poet on that time lie on the bed and pressing his pillow and listen to the sound made by the raindrops falling on the roof, and on that time he also enjoy the rain. Next stanza. Every tinkle on the shingles has an echo in the heart, and 1,000 dreamy fancies into busy being a start, and 1,000 recollections weave their air threads into whoop as I listen to the patter of the rain upon the roof. Here shingles. Shingles means the roof which is made by the tiles. You can say khapda also, and also by the wooden tiles. Okay. Now, see. The poet is expressing his feelings when he hears the raindrops falling on the rooftop of his house. He adds that the sounds of the rain falling on the rooftop creates many different dreams. He has many different fanciful imagination. He recollects many memories of the past. So he says that as he listened to the patter of the rain upon the roof, he has many new dreams in his mind. Next stanza. Now in memory comes my mother, as she used in years ago to regard the darling dreamers, or she left them till the dawn. Oh, I feel her fond look on me as I list to his refrain, which is played upon the shingles by the patter of the rain. Here the poet introduces his mother. It is the memory of his mother who is no longer alive. In the past, she used to love him lot. She used to consider him a darling, and she would tell him, let him sleep till daybreak and have sweet dreams. The poet can still feel that his mother is looking at him. The sound of the rain makes him correlate his past with present. That is why the poet is moved by the sound of the raindrops on the shingles of his rooms. In this poem, the poet tells about the sound of the rain. When the sound of the rain comes to his ear, it is just like a song, and on that time he lost in his past, and on that time he memorized all the past, and he feels very happy. Thank you. Have a nice day.